You will not fail. Don't worry. I'm here to help. I'll walk you through some causes and some remedies. You can only learn this from a consultant with a decade of experience, 330 projects completed. I've been in the trenches, I screwed up, I learned from it, and I'm here to share my secrets. All right, let's get started. Agents are not productive. You're looking at the ticket handling time and the number of tickets that your agents are solving, and you can't believe it. You can't believe how few tickets your agents are solving and the time it takes for them to actually solve them. You could have sworn that in your meetings, your agents seem to have gotten it and they would know what to do, but yet they still don't. Some remedies for this. Your agents might not have enough context to solve a ticket. So what you need to do is to integrate third parties into your Zendesk. Your agents have to log into multiple systems and have multiple tabs open in order to cater to customers. Your processes may not be clear and are complicated. So for the love of God, document your processes. Put them in an Excel sheet. Put them in your guide help center. Make it private so your agents can access it. Have an honest conversation with your agents about this topic. There's no shame in it, and you need to keep people accountable. And you need to keep yourself accountable for that matter. Make sure you listen to your agents to ensure you give them what they need to be productive. You have really long response times. You're looking at the first reply time and ticket resolution time. You're seeing really large numbers and you can't figure out why. This means tickets are coming into the system and are slipping through the cracks, meaning that nobody notices them and your agents are not seeing them in their queues. Or maybe they do, but they don't want to handle them. Some remedies for this: revisit your triaging to see what's causing this. I've made a video on resolutions time, which I can link up top in here so you can get more information on how to handle this. Filter tickets by due date and agent activity and see which tickets have had any activity applied to them. Now you can use any of your views for this. I recommend using the unsolved tickets view. Although I never give advice to create more than you have to in Zendesk, you create a personal view for yourself to see why these tickets have long wait times and look at them one by one. Put on your investigator hat and see what's wrong with these tickets. Maybe it's something to do with your processes. Maybe it's something to do with your routing rules. Another thing you can do is see if your agents need more training, which comes back to a previous point, to have honest conversations with them about this. Sign number 3 your Zendesk is failing: you have too many views or queues. As an agent in Zendesk, you only have 12 views, and as an admin, you have 2 more, which is spam and the deleted tickets. If you're over this number for either category, you're just slowing people's productivity. Some remedies for you: review your triaging. Go back to your triaging and make sure everything is categorized depending on the type of ticket it is and the urgency needed to apply to it and your SLAs. You only really need 3 views, and those are my tickets, unassigned tickets, and unsolved tickets in my groups or departments. That's all you need in order to be productive. Now bear in mind, to achieve this simplicity, you have to have granular groups that are defined based on the types of requirements, and your agents don't need more than these 3 views. Less is more. You can create an automation that reminds agents that a ticket has not had any action performed to it, and while you're there, create another notification to notify you if the agent has not taken any action. This way you'll also be able to see who is actually underperforming much faster. Okay, 4th sign your Zendesk is failing: you feel stuck. You feel like you're not using all of your Zendesk functionality available. You also feel that if you make any changes, everything might crash. You have too many business rules that have been created one on top of the other, which is slowing your agent's productivity. Some remedies for this: well, you need help. You already have a busy job. You're already doing your best in your regular job, which takes up all of your time, which is different from Zendesk. Now, bear in mind, the complexity of the platform has increased greatly, and it's not such an easy fix to do everything. You need an expert's opinion. You need somebody who's been in the trenches. You need somebody's 10,000 hours of experience. It makes everything much easier, and counterintuitively, it saves a lot of time for you, which saves a lot of time for your agents, which saves a lot of time for your management, and your founders will be happy because they're saving money. Now, running a YouTube channel for educational purposes is difficult because you guys come here, you see a video, and then you go away for a while. So while we have you here, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'd be very grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.